What's going on, guys? It's Grant. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a 24-hour dropshipping challenge using TikTok ads. I'm really excited for this challenge, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to see the results. If you haven't already, please go down below and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your recent support. We're already at 3,000 subscribers, which is actually crazy. I can't believe we made it this far, honestly. My original goal was 1,000 and we absolutely blew past it, so I want to thank each and every single one of you out there. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So here's the product we're going to be using for this video. It's called the Female Pheromone Perfume. This is actually not my website, but it's really similar to the one that I made. As you can see, it's basically just this perfume that makes girls more attractive to men, and it's been selling really well recently for me, so that's the product we're going to be using in this video. One of the most important parts of the dropshipping business is the creatives. So for this part of the challenge, we're going to be using viral ecom ads. It's a platform that allows you to buy ads based on needs of your dropshipping store. As you can see, they have Facebook split testing, a Facebook video ad, and a TikTok split testing package. But what I actually went with was the UGC TikTok split testing package. Just got it from the website. They delivered it super quickly. I honestly couldn't believe that they got me these videos in under 24 hours. That was awesome. As you guys can see, we got them here in the Google Drive. And so we're going to be using those to set up our TikTok ad creatives. I'm going to be leaving a link down below for viral ecom ads. It's also in my channel banner, so make sure to go check it out. I have a discount code too, GrantEcom15, something like that. Make sure to use that code at checkout if you want to get 15% off. I want to let you guys in on a little secret. I've actually already been doing this challenge for the past 24 hours, so I'm here ready with the results. And here's exactly what went down with this dropshipping store. So as you guys can see, we spent a total of $47 of our $50 daily ad group budget. This was a TikTok ads smart performance campaign. I've really been liking this smart performance campaign recently because it works really well. It optimizes really well, and TikTok honestly shows your ads to the audience that it was meant for. As you guys can see, we had 2 ads in each of our little ad groups, so we had a total of 3 ads, and we spent $10, $16, and $20. $3 CPC, $2 CPC, and a $3.65 CPC. These aren't really the greatest metrics, but it's okay. Stay tuned till the results with the sales. As you guys can see, most of our audience was the younger demographic, but also we hit some of the older people too. Let's go down to the daily metrics. If we check out the gender here, we can see that most of the spend actually went to males, which is kind of interesting. I'm assuming that this is because males were buying the product for their girlfriend or something like that, so that was pretty interesting. As you guys can see, the impressions, it showed it actually to a lot of people above 55. A lot of people lie about their age when they sign up for TikTok, so you never really know how old they are, to be honest. Now, let's get straight into the results and the sales that we made on this dropshipping store. To show you guys the results, I'm going to be using this tool called TrueProfit.io. It's a really great analytics tool, and I honestly love using it on all my dropshipping stores just so I can keep track of the profits. It's only 25 bucks to get started, and it really just gives you a nice breakdown of all the metrics from your dropshipping store. You can tell the platform your ad spend, product cost, your shipping cost, and it will tell you all of the analytics about the metrics, about the sales that you made. If you guys are interested in trying out True Profit, go down to the description below. I'll have a link there where you can download the Shopify app and also the iOS app. Hands down, the best way to track your profits and analytics from your Shopify store. So as you guys can see, track the costs, discover the insights, know your lifetime customer value. And they also have an iOS app, which is pretty cool. We can just go over here and download it on the App Store. You can keep track of your Shopify analytics, your real analytics, not just your big old sales. Because I honestly hate looking at the sales number because it shows you all this money you made when it's really not profit. So this is a great tool to see the actual profit you made. It's got great reviews. It's a great tool, and I honestly just love using it. So if we go over to my dashboard here, you guys can see that we made a total of $112 back in revenue from our $50 ad spend, which is actually pretty surprising, and it's pretty good results, to be honest. We got a total of 8 sales, and as you can see, we spent $31 on product cost. So this True Profit tool is telling me that I made a total of $82.45 net profit. If we add in the $47 of ad spend, we made roughly $25 of profit. Not terrible at all. We ended up getting over a 2x ROAS, which is pretty good if I'm being honest. So over here we have a little performance chart, and it shows just the gross margin we made, the revenue, and the units sold, all that stuff. Over here we've got the product cost breakdown. As you can see, we spent a bunch of money on shipping, cost of goods, it's included with the shipping. dropshipping, so that's why it shows that. And our net margin was 73%, so that's honestly pretty awesome. And with that being said, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. We made our money back, we made a little bit of profit, and I'm really excited to show you guys what happens in the next video. I'm going to keep running the store with these TikTok ads because they are profitable, so I will update you guys in a couple weeks. So make sure to go down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can never miss another video. You guys are going to want to see the next video in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.